All right, I'm going to show you the basics of creating a discussion after you have linked sections. So you can see in the title of my course right here, I have 3 different sections linked together. The plus of linking is you don't have to copy to the course. Automatically, it updates for all 3 at the same time, but you can customize. So I'm going to add a discussion. I do an attendance check-in every day. Okay, and usually it's a simple question. So, Coke or Pepsi? All right, so simple question. Usually I give them an additional direction, but for ease of showing you all the options, keep it simple. I can individually assign it if it's just a discussion I need with a few students. I always click this, which means require members to post before revealing other responses. I wish the default was set to this, but it's not. I remember to click it every time. You cannot share courses. You cannot share discussions among courses if you have linked sections. So that's potentially a downside. But I can still copy to other courses. But here's where, remember, this is published. Now it's unpublished. The due date would be today, and I do not allow it at the end of the day. It's for attendance, so it must be during the school day. But here's where I can choose sections to customize. Okay, so I want to do something for all of them. For the third section, they do not have asynchronous today. Okay, so it's only the section 1 and section 2. And I'm going to leave unpublished, meaning it's not going to show up for the other section. Okay. When I click create and publish it, it will show me how many sections I enabled this for. Anytime you have linked courses, you always have this option to select to customize. When you're all done, you click create. So there you have it, the basics of creating a discussion when you have linked your courses together.